must go.
Yeah. For extra merch now. You better say Ghana must go. Literally, they
What do
literally.
you mean? You want to stay here? Now, yeah, you want to.
We are sorry. Big brother, we are sorry.
You better say, please leave immediately.
President, please. These people are running mad.
Please. With immediate effect.
Come and take Ghana must go.
We are sorry. Big brother, we are sorry.
You may see much though.
Okay, I think it's 6. Oh, I don't know. Just carry everything. I tell you, so we got packed today. They don't write our name.
Then right now.
Those are for our name.
Manuel.
Hi, because Rose, I want to go and pack my things now. So make sure you're packing your things as well.
How many what? Oh, Nana will